Okay, this is Mr. Rouse. I'm here to teach you a new lesson of math. So excited. Now this is Math 1.3. Whoop whoop! We are going to teach you how to compare and order numbers. So let's look at a number. Let's get a lovely 49er color and let's look at 651,000, 28. Then we will look at 665,188. Now, when we are comparing numbers, let me put a circle down here first. When we are comparing numbers, most kids, because when we are using place value, they want to start over here and go that way. That is a big no, don't do it, okay? When we're comparing numbers, let's get a different color. We start here and we go this way. So we're going to look here. Our sixes are the same, right? Okay, so our sixes are the same. So we're going to now go to our 10,000 spot. Now in our 10,000 spot, we have a 5 here, and we have something we notice here. What is it? Great. Our 6 is bigger than our 5. So, because our 10,000 is bigger than our 6,000 is bigger than 10,000, because remember that 6,000 really means 60,000. That 5 is 50,000, and we know that 60,000 is bigger than 50. So I'm going to write my number 665,188. I'm going to write my 651,028 over here. Because this 6 is bigger than this 5, we're going to... Now, we got our gator signs. If you look at our gator signs, we have these two marks. The reason I call them gator signs is because the mouth, which looks like a mouth, like right there, it wants to eat the biggest amount. If I'm going to have a plate full of cookies, and I have a huge plate chock full, and I have another plate with one cookie on it, of course, I'm going to take the plate that has got the most cookies. I'm hungry. And that's what our gator is. So the mouth has to point to the bigger number because it's a hungry gator. Now let's look at another example here. I have let's do 62,438. We're going to compare that to 62,834. Now if I look here, we're going to start at our bigger number. The 6's here are the same, so we go on to our thousands. In our thousands, our 2's are the same. Because they're the same, I got to now go to my hundreds here. What do you notice about the hundreds? You got it, that 8 is bigger. So as we write this number down and we go 62,438 and 62,834, we got to use our gator sign. Remember, our gator wants the biggest amount, so we're going to put the mouth towards that. Now really quick, so this video doesn't take all day, let's do the other part of this lesson. If I have 23,710, 23,715, and I've got 23,751. Now you got to put them in order. And this one it says let's do it from the smallest to the biggest. So we're going to do the same thing we just did. The 2's are all the same. So we're going to go to our next number. That was supposed to go green. The 3's are all the same. So let's go to our next number. 7's are all the same. So we're going to go down to our 1, 5. So this has got to be our biggest number. So we're going least to greatest, so I can really just bring that number down. So I've got 23,751. That's our biggest number. So let's look here. I've got a really bad looking 0, and then I've got a 5. 0 smaller than 5, so I can put 23,710 here. That leaves us with 23,715 here. You're going to do the same principle, same idea that you did back here and putting them in order. You just got to then put them in the right order. This one just happened to be put in the right order to start with. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching lesson 1.3 of Go Math. Join me next time when I teach you lesson 1.4. Thank you.